Hey guys, welcome back to Phone Tricks. In this video, we'll learn how to enable and use one-handed mode in Vivo Y75 smartphone. Without further ado, let's get started. First of all, enter into the settings, then swipe up, then enter into the shortcuts and accessibility. You can find the option called one-handed. You need to click on that. Now need to enable the access mini screen using gesture. So after enabling, you need to come with the home screen. Now you need to do like this to enter into the one-handed mode. Now you can use one hand easily. The full phone is controlled by one hand. If you want to change the position of the one-handed mode, you can change it to the left side also. You can change into the top. Also, if you want to expand the size, you can expand like this. If you want to exit, you need to click on the X button. Again I say, so this is a gesture. So that's all guys, I hope this video is very useful to you. If you like this video, hit thumbs up and do subscribe our channel for more interesting phone videos. Thank you.